If you had a child in the car, it's up to 2 years in a state jail. The penalties go up if you have a conviction for DWI, and then you can also get a driver's license suspension. When you are arrested for DWI, most of the time, the officer is going to request a breath or a blood sample. And the way they do that is they read a form called the DIC-24. The form starts off by saying you're under arrest for an offense involving acts alleged to have been committed while driving or operating a motor vehicle or watercraft while intoxicated. And there's even a flying while intoxicated if you're a pilot and you got arrested. What they do is they read you this form and they request a sample of your breath or blood. And if you refuse to give that sample, they're going to try to suspend your license. If you agree to give that sample and it comes back with a test over the limit, 0.08, either a breath test or a blood test, if it comes back over the limit, they could suspend your license for that too. And so you can also get a driver's license suspension for being convicted of DWI.